Guys, it's your girl Cindy. So on today's episode, we are talking about YUL Edochie. Isi mmiri ji ọfọ di ijele. So basically, YUL Edochie wrote this thing now. He was like, he buy in accident in 2019. He buy through say he buy. God can't give him second life. Second chance, second life. So my question be say, our ijele, our isi mmiri ji ọfọ. Abeg, did God give you a second life for you to bring another woman to marry a second wife? Okay, as God don't give you second life, you want Adam second wife, make it be second life, second wife. Ha. Me I no get mouth, I no get any rights to chukun. Because when all this whole saga started between your family, I know they chuk. Even when I see your post, if the post too fine, too sweet for me, I just comment and go. I know they follow Nigerian, they talk all these things where they talk, where they have. Even those where their mama be BSTARD. Follow the young person. Even those where their mama be ashawo, follow the young person. Even those where no sabi their father, follow the young person. But my own be say, did God give you a second life and ask you, my son, as I'm giving you this second life, go and marry the second wife? I'm talking to you. Anyway, all the best.